hear about signals from Songbirds?
Half speed. As you're going about your day-to-day life, worrying about your friends, maybe your boyfriends, girlfriends, what you're going to do that day, all the things you worry about, there are birds in that space, and they are worrying about the same things. I guarantee you there's as much drama happening in the bird world as there is in your world, and you don't even realize it.
These right here are examples of what most people think of Juan Miró when they think of Juan Miró. It's using the elements of art, the basic elements of art of color, shape, and line, and creating these beautiful, very whimsical works of art.
One easy thing you can do is to add native plants to your backyard. We love coming to the Cultivate SciArt performances because it's such an interesting field, and the intersection between arts and sciences, I think, are not emphasized. We love the hands-on activities, and it's really nice to do something over cocktails with friends. It's a great excuse to go out.
I like this place because you can do science and art, and it's you could do stuff that you couldn't do anywhere else.